Learning Toolkit.
Let's learn all about Therizinosaurus. How do you say that again? Therizinosaurus. Can you say it with me? Therizinosaurus. Therizinosaurus was found in Asia, mostly in Mongolia and China. It lived about 70 million years ago during the late Cretaceous period, alongside the sneaky little velociraptor. Do you know what Therizinosaurus means? It means scythe lizard, because of the giant claws on his hands that look like scythes. How big was it? It grew to be 10 meters long. That is as long as a big fire engine. How heavy was Therizinosaurus? It weighed around 5,000 kilograms. That is as heavy as a large African elephant. It had the largest claws of any land animal ever known. Its claws were over half a meter long. That's the length of an adult-sized baseball bat. Even with those scary claws, Therizinosaurus was a herbivore. It used long claws to pull down tall tree branches to eat leaves, not meat. It looked very funny. It had a small head with a bird-like beak, a long neck, and a huge round belly, except this one is pretty ripped. Scientists believe it wasn't scaly, but actually covered in shaggy, hair-like feathers. When scientists first discovered its giant claws in 1948, they thought they belonged to a giant diving turtle that harvested seaweed underwater. So what have we learned? We learned that Therizinosaurus lived in Asia 70 million years ago. Its name means scythe lizard because of its giant claws. It is as long as a fire engine and as heavy as an African elephant. It had the biggest claws of any land animal, but it was a vegetarian. It looked funny with a big belly and feathers, and scientists thought it was a giant turtle. We hope you enjoyed learning about the bizarre Therizinosaurus. To learn more about dinosaurs, please make sure you subscribe. Bye, Therizinosaurus.